Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sunbury, Wisconsin, USA. This is the Waterfall Kit that I will be sharing during the June 24th, 2023 Craft Along with the One of a Kind Facebook group. So I'll be selling these kits on my blog at superawesomestamper.com. I'm not going to be including the Cajun Craze kit initially, but I am including a Daffodil Delight kit. So everything to create this card is included in your kit, excluding the stamped images. You will need to add your own stamps and inks and adhesives to complete the kit. To complete this particular design, I use the Nature's Prints stamp set and Daffodil Delight ink pad. Included in your kit will also be this ribbon. Now it is white and balmy blue variegated, but I will be hand coloring those using my light Daffodil Delight blends marker, and blue and yellow make green, so it makes a nice little variegation there. The second kit included in this offering is going to be the Zoo Crew pattern paper pack. So let me flip back to the page here. It's got a better image on the catalog page. This pattern paper pack features lots of images I can cut apart and include in your kit, and they're small enough that they'll fit on those squares. So the second kit in the offering will feature the Zoo Crew Designer Series paper. The first kit is going to be this Daffodil Delight from the Fresh as a Daisy pattern paperback. So if you'd like to place an order for my kits in the mail, go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com and click on Kits in the Mail or the One of a Kind icon for full details and ordering your kit using PayPal. Included in this offering will be a PDF of this particular design. It'll have all the cutting and scoring measurements and 11 different designs featuring the waterfall technique, so you get an idea of how to use your supplies to make additional waterfall cards. If you'd like to place a new product order, my ordering host code is up in the upper left-hand corner. You just go to my online store, which is accessible through my blog, to place new product orders. Otherwise, I hope you join me for the June 24th, 2023 One of a Kind Craft Along. Stamp with you soon. Bye.